Good morning. I am Coimbatore Tirumular Sittarpeedam Sivayogi Sivarajan speaking. Now Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is all famous all over the world. The first credit goes to Yogananda Paramahamsa. He is the disciple of Lahari Mahasya, and Lahari Mahasya is in turn the disciple of Kriya Babaji, Mahavatar Babaji. Mahavatar Babaji gave this knowledge to 3 persons in North India, and he gave this knowledge to 2 persons in Tamil. His teachings are fully available only in Tamil. Actually, he formulated the Kriya Yoga. The Kriya Yoga is the sum total of all Siddha Yogas, plus this cleansing process from Hada Yoga, Sat Kriya. So this is the total amalgamation of Sat Kriya, Tirumula Siva Yoga, Swasi Yoga, Kayakalpa Yoga, Amuridharana, and some Kayakalpa Siddha medicines are also there. In addition to some Varma techniques are also included in the relaxation techniques as well as meditation techniques. So he derived this from Bohar. Actually, he worshipped Bohar. He is a student of Kalanginath. Kalanginath is a student of Tirumula. So, Boganath, they belong to Nath Parampara. Tirumula Nath, Kalanginath, Boganath. So, by worshipping and reading the literature of Boganath, which is an expansion, enlargement of Tirumula's philosophy, Mahavatar Babaji formulated the present Kriya Yoga, which is in full available only in Tamil. So others speak, and when I study all these things, the other Kriya Yoga techniques of the students of Mahavatar Babaji and in turn by other present day Gurujis are not complete. So a complete idea of Kriya Yoga is present only in Tamil, and it is in 16 stages. 16 stages. I have explained the 8 stages in the previous upload. Now I am going to explain the other 8 stages as a part 2. The named stage is stabilizing body heat with this some herbal oils, Siddha oils. So stabilizing body heat. Why body heat should be stabilized? When you do Kriya Yoga, a lot of heat will be produced. Normally in practical, the heat will be getting out of your body 3 times. During that time, some people will suffer from skin diseases because the toxins laid down in the skin will get outlet through some small holes, and that damages the skin. And for that there is a paste, Vasi paste it is called, it is available. The formula for that paste is available, and he recommends this for using for these Kriya Yogis. Moreover, this Thaila Morris, there are some oil preparations, and it is very well explained in Kriya Yoga text in Tamil how to prepare the oils and apply this oil on the whole of the body so that the heat is compensated. So the extra heat produced due to Kriya Yoga practice will be compensated by the particular oils. The methods and preparation of these oils are also explained in Kriya text in Tamil. Then the next stage is to stabilize the Sapta Dhadus in the body. Sapta Dhadus, they are famous in this Ayurveda, Siddha also. They are the fundamental units of composition of physical body of man. But in Kriya Yoga, in Tamil, in addition to the Sabda Dhadus, one more item called 8th Dhadu or 8th particle is the biomagnetic current sheath inside the body. That is also very important. Sabda Dhadus are there, they will be alive only when the biomagnetic current flows in the body. That is called life force. But if life force is not there, the Sabda Tadus don't have any value. So the life force biomagnetic current is termed as a eighth component, and also there is one ninth component, there is cosmic current. So these are explained in Tamil literature. To stabilize these Sapsadhus, he uses how we can take some these sadhu stabilizing Kayakalpa medicines also, lehya. There's food supplements. And what are the ingredients and how it should be prepared are also available in Kriya Yoga text in Tamil. So that is also essential. So if you have a strong body, then only you will have a strong mind. If you practice Kayakalpa techniques, then your body will last for long. Only then you can practice Kriya Yoga till you get Mukti or this merger with the final consciousness. Moreover, when you are getting connected with the final consciousness, only a strong body can tolerate it. Otherwise, they cannot tolerate. So, Kayakalpa technique to stabilize Sabda Tadus are mentioned in Tamil records as essential, like Mahavadar Kriya Babaji. So, then the 11th step is to identify Jiva atom different from physical body. During the Kriya Yoga practice, one will see his own Atman. When he crosses from Mooladhara to Visuddhi, he crosses Atma Tattva 24. When one crosses these 24 Atma Tattvas, the Atma Darshan will be obtained in the form of a minute light in the right eyebrow, center of right eyebrow. So then he will realize that he is a light particle and different from the physical body and the biomagnetic current. Then there is Anga Pravesa Siddhi. The 12th is Anga Pravesa Siddhi. When you have control over biomagnetism and the cosmic current flow in your body, you can direct energy to any part of your body. That may be called as chakra healing also. You can generate energy, absorb energy through chakras, and you can direct energy to any part of the body by channelizing through Nadi channels. This is very subtle, and this is also a part of this Kriya Yoga in Tamil. A very subtle thing. Then is Agasa Prava, 13 is Agasa Pravesa Siddhi. That is due to astral expansion. When you do Kriya Yoga properly and the chakra activation part, and as defined by Siddha rules, one's astral body will expand into 7 to 10 layers. As per Siddha records, there are 10 layers. When you expand 4 layers, your body health will be stabilized. And when you go beyond that, expand more than that, you will get connected with the ultimate final energy called Shiva. So when you reach that stage, teleportation is possible, and this astral flight is possible, and a lot of siddhis regarding travel, astral travel, teleportation, all are possible. Then 14th item is to increase biomagnetism and absorb the female energy into male energy. In the yogi's body, they say, or everybody common man's body, the left side represents female and the right side represents male. The left brain also has 14 principles in Saiva literature, Siddha literature, and the right brain has got 16 principles in the right brain. During this the Kriya Yoga, the last stage, the 14 female principles, Parasati principles, will be absorbed by the 16 Shiva principles, and then only he will become a full-fledged yogi. That is important. That is also explained in the Kriya Yoga literature of Tamil. Then 15th item is upgrading physical body into Pranava Deha. That is as per the Siddha literature, your body will be, the physical body will be upgraded into Pranava Deha, Jnana Deha, and higher level subtle bodies. That is, your astral and causal bodies will gain more power, and it will take control of the physical body, and their astral and causal existence will be more. They will be connected with the Prakriti and the ultimate energy, the astral and causal level, for that certain exercises are there to reach that level. The 16th one is to merge with that final ultimate energy called Shiva. Shiva is actually Shivan is a human form. There is a form, a Shiva with Rupa Nama. That is a physical Shiva. And the astral Shiva is not having any this Rupa. He is 24 hours in energy, full-fledged energy and final energy. So Shiva is a name given by Siddhas to see represents see the Shivam, that is the potential energy, and Va represents Parasiddhi, the dynamic energy. So they are in final the energy. There is a Saguna Shiva is Shivan as described by this literature as wearing snake and all these things, tiger skin, etc. In the higher level, Arupa Shiva is the astral energy, that is C reference for potential energy and Va stands for kinetic energy. The merger with this will be caused by pranayama and high level practice of Vasidhya, this Dharana, Dhyanam, Samadhi, and that is a full merger. All these are part of this Kriya Yoga in Tamil, and Varma techniques to relaxation. The Mudichi techniques in the body will be activated by this Kriya Yogi, as well as a triangular energy flow above neck in the 6 triangles which carry energy around your head is also there in the Tamil literature of Kriya Yoga. Though I am teaching in that as per the Tamil literature, and which is so deep and subtle that is explained in 16 stages. It is inclusive of Varma, Kayakalpa, Vasi Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga and Hatha Yoga principles. Those who want to learn, contact me. Nowadays online classes are there. Those who want, contact me. Thank you.